In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Play search history. If you want to remove the searches you've made inside the Google Play Store, the good news is that the process is quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you want a little more privacy, if you want to clean up old search suggestions, or if you simply want to start fresh. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure you're inside the app itself, since this setting is managed directly from Google Play and not from your phone's general settings. Once Google Play is open, go to your profile. You'll usually find your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Google Play keeps most of its app and account related options. Inside Settings, look for the General section and tap on it. Depending on your version of the Play Store, this section may already be expanded, or you may need to open it manually. If you see a small arrow icon next to General, press it to expand the menu and show more options. After that, look for Account and Device Preferences. This section contains settings related to how Google Play works on your device, including certain privacy and history options. Tap into that area to continue. Now scroll down through Account and Device Preferences until you find the option labeled Clear Device Search History. Take your time here because it may be lower on the page than expected. This option is specifically for clearing the search history stored in the Play Store on your device. When you see Clear Device Search History, tap on it. That will clear your Google Play search history. In many cases, the action happens immediately, so you may not see a long confirmation process. If a prompt appears, just confirm that you want to clear the history. And that's it. Your Google Play search history has now been removed. Keep in mind that this affects the search history in the Play Store, which means your previous search terms should no longer appear as suggestions there. If the menu on your device looks slightly different, don't worry. Google Play can vary a little depending on your device model, Android version, or app updates, but the same path is usually still available through Profile Settings, General, and Account and Device Preferences. That's the full process for deleting Google Play search history quickly and easily.